This instructional video will demonstrate how to fill out the work permit form using the web application. First, log into the system, and then select from the menu Mobile Work Permit. Click Create Permit to begin filling out the form. At the top, select the location. You can do this in 4 ways. In the settings, you can set a default location. Search using the keyword. Search from the list. Expand the list of locations in a tree structure. Or search using the map. To do this, click the Map button. Locate the area that requires a work permit. Then confirm by clicking Select. The work start date is set to now by default. The end date can be set manually, or you can set a default value, for example, by 4 p.m. today. Next, select the person responsible for approving the work. In Settings, you can add fields to select the referrer, supervisor, or permitter. In this sample form, these fields are hidden. Select the executor. Next, you can select the team leader. Using the green button with a plus sign, you can add a new executor and a team leader. Define what work will be performed under the permit by selecting a work template. Below, you can view the tasks from the template. Tasks are divided into 3 stages. First are the preparatory tasks, where the necessary approvals, declarations, and signatures are completed to open the permit. Once approval is granted, you can carry out the main tasks related to the work authorized by the permit. After the work is completed, final tasks involve inspection and restoring the work area to its original state. Next is a list of potential hazards and preventive measures. Thanks to this list, we can see the hazards, pictograms, and preventive measures associated with performing work in the selected location. In the next section, you can add workers to perform the work if it is known who will carry it out. The external company coordinator can add workers independently after the work has started. At the end, you can select people who will receive a notification about the created permit. Submit the form by clicking Create Permit.